Using a hammer drill, I am pre-drilling holes inside the tile that was already laid out in our project, but I had to use a special bit to be able to cut through the tile. Off camera, I decided to pre-frame the wood for this side of the patio. I didn't tighten the center part, so that's why they look kind of loose. I was just trying to see if this would work better since I'm by myself. I'm using some tack-ons to secure the frame to the brick. Also at the bottom, I'm using those same tack-on screws. Oh, one point, I use a pocket hole jig to make the pocket holes. So that's why I am pushing the screws up on an angle, because I did some pre-drilling with a pocket hole jig. I am using some old weather treated 2x4 that I found in my shed because I grossly underestimated how many 2x4s I actually needed. Framing using pre-drilled pocket holes and deck screws. Two-thirds of the framing is done. Stay tuned for the next.